Hi guys, welcome to my channel. So tomorrow morning, really early, I have an appointment at 7 o'clock at the Ford dealership for my GT350 for a service. And as every year, I always make a video about the service so you guys know what the costs are for the Shelby. And that's why I moved it out of its garage here. Alright, and I moved it in here so the Tesla parks outside overnight. We should have a nice quiet night with no rain, good weather, so that is not a big issue. And as all of you know, the Tesla is not made out of chocolate anyway. So anyways, yeah, here's the town car, the Ford Explorer. So they're all here, and this guy here goes to the service tomorrow morning. The service is just a routine scheduled service, and they do say they have a mini detail for free with it, which should be a wash and an interior detail. But you know what? Mini detail probably means an automatic wash and just someone vacuuming. And if it's an automatic wash, I may say skip it. I'll wash it myself. If they wash it by hand, who knows? Maybe they have a kid there washing them by hands. I'll let them do that. And interior, I'll just let them do whatever they want to do and see what it will be. Yeah. So it's not super dirty anyway, so it shouldn't be a big deal. All right, guys, hang in there, stay in there. The video is not over. Next time you see me, we'll be on my way to the dealership in the morning. My appointment is at 7 o'clock. I'm an hour far away, so I leave at 6 o'clock. And I'm hoping for not too much city traffic when we head to Salt Lake City, where the dealership is. All right, so see you soon tomorrow morning. And good morning. Here I am on the road. It's 6:13. There's a lot of traffic already, and I should be making it to my destination at right before 7 o'clock. So everything is good. I'll go in, bring the car in, have the service done, check out what the mini detail is, and I'll let you guys know so you know what's going on and how much it costs. Okay, until then, I need my two hands and my eyes on the road. I'll put the camera down. And here I am. It's 6:56 and they're not opening the doors yet. As people, these two trucks, vans, box trucks just moved in. And there's the new Ford Ranger in front of me. So looks like it belongs to a customer. It's already modified. It's a nice looking truck though. I wonder why he's here already. Yeah, so they're not opening the doors yet, a little early. So hopefully soon, and then I'll go in and I hope they're in a good mood and can do the service. And yeah, these are kind of weird looking box trucks. They're like Ford Transits with a box. Interesting. Looks like the drivers are waiting for them. I wonder what they deliver. All right, doesn't matter. Yeah, I'll see you guys when I'm out of here, and I'll show you the paperwork, and we'll look over the mini detail of the vehicle. All right, see you soon. Alrighty, here we go. As promised, I'm done, and it took them about an hour, which is acceptable. But I was the very first customer there, so among others, it's a pretty big dealership. Yeah, the car is 13,970 miles now, so not many. And let's see what they did. They did the oil change with the works package where they check everything. And yeah, there's the filter plus the oil. And it cost me $301.73. So the tax is $21.71, then subtotal was $280, and that's how much is the labor. Let's see, the labor total, I don't know how much the labor is. It says parts $243, labor $30. That's what it says here. And then other 48, whatever that is. Anyways, that's the service. Can't really complain about that, but you know, that mini detail they promised. Does that answer you if they did it? All right. So no, that did not happen. The mini detail did not happen. I'm gonna put this in my glove box before I forget. The mini detail did not happen. I kind of thought I would remind them, but it should be, they should know. It wasn't the system. They sent me a confirmation and it said it on there. So yeah, what would you do? Would you complain or not? I mean, it's not a big deal for me, and I'm an hour away. I don't think I will complain, but maybe I'll just do it just so they know. If they promise something, they need to keep it. That's just how it is. You promise to do something on the car, you do it. You don't just promise it and then you have customer there and you don't do it and skip on it. That is lazy. I don't know. I don't like that. I have my little dash cam here on. I wonder if they turned it off. Usually they turn it off. And when I got the car back, it was on. So I'm gonna check the files and see if I can see him do an oil change or something, or whatever's going on. I'm gonna turn it off right now. Oh, now I just saved the file. I'm gonna turn it off right now, and I'll see what they did, and if there's any footage on there that's fun to look at, I'm gonna share it, but I don't think there will be. It will probably be overwritten by the time I get home, which is okay. It's not a big deal, you know. Yeah, that's it. Let's go look at the exterior, see if they washed it. You already know the answer, don't you? Let's go look. That has not been washed either. Yeah, there's some. Oh, that's just fingerprints. It's not been washed. They did nothing with it. Nothing's been done but oil change. So yeah, that's all right. I mean, better than drive it through a scratchy car wash. I may open the hood and check if everything looks tight in there, and I'll go for a walk or something and I'll go home. Listen to that truck there on my egg. All right, guys, as always, please like and subscribe to my videos. Subscribing is for free. You can donate some money too if you want to. No, I mean, yes, do it. You know what I mean. Now subscribe and like, leave me a comment, and I'll see you next time. The next video will be more interesting than this one, but for some of you folks who have this car, this is interesting as well. All right, have a good one. See you later.